Describe something you own that you want to replace. An item in my possession that I am considering upgrading is my trusty bicycle, a mode of transportation that has been an integral part of my daily commute. This bicycle rests in my modest garage, a reliable companion that has navigated me through bustling streets and serene countryside bars alike. I acquired this bicycle as a birthday gift from my family, a token of their thoughtfulness and encouragement for me to embrace a healthier lifestyle and reduce my carbon footprint. The reason I'm considering replacing this bicycle is that, after years of faithful service, it has started showing signs of wear and tear, with its gears becoming increasingly unreliable and the frame showing visible signs of aging. Upgrading to a new bicycle would not only enhance my cycling experience, but also ensure safer and more efficient travels, allowing me to continue enjoying the benefits of this eco-friendly mode of transportation.